Welcome again to one of Dr. Crush's great math videos where I'm going to show you how to use LCD. And the thing is, a lot of students and a lot of software and a lot of books tend to mix up the right way to use LCD. So we've gone over LCD before, how to get the LCD, but now I'm going to go over two different problems that look very similar but are crushingly different. So, let's get right to it. My beautiful assistant is zeroing in on these two problems. We have, for the first problem, 1/3 plus 2/5 equals something. We want to add two fractions with different denominators. The second problem is an equation as opposed to the expression that was the first problem. X over 3 plus 2/5 equals 3. All right, so we have an expression, we're adding two fractions. We have an equation where we're solving for x. We're going to use LCD in both cases. The LCD is 15. I'll let you figure that out yourself. It's kind of easy. The LCD is 15, but we're going to use it differently. And I'm going to show you. 1/3 plus 2/5. Go to my blank board over here. My beautiful assistant is zeroed in. 1/3 plus 2/5. Okay, so the LCD is 15. 3 times 5. 5 times 3. And we get 5 plus 6 fifteenths, which is 11 fifteenths. Notice we never got rid of the fractions. We were stuck with the fractions. When we're adding fractions with different denominators, we're stuck with them. We can't get rid of them. We got to live with them. But, my eraser. When we have an equation, let me just check what that was. X over 3 plus 2/5 equals 3. X over 3 plus 2/5 equals 3. Here, we're going to use the LCD to get rid of those fractions. We're going to crush the fractions. We don't like fractions. We're not going to change the denominators over here to 15 because that just makes it harder. What we're going to do, we're going to multiply everything by 15. I'll just write 45. 15 times 3 is 45. Okay. Notice what happens. Why did we multiply by 15? So we can cancel 5x plus 6 is 45. And I'm going to let you finish this at home. The point is, we now have an easy equation. The equation has no more fractions. 5x plus 6 equals 45. Subtract 6, divide by 5, and you're done. You can do that at home. This was a hard equation with fractions. We used the LCD in the equation to get rid of the fractions. Very, very different, and you want to remember that. Adding or subtracting fractions, we use the LCD to change the denominator. We're stuck with the fractions. An equation with fractions, we use the LCD to get rid of the fractions. Key difference. This is Dr. Crusher saying, crush your math.